It's just been really nice because I genuinely feel like I'm starting to build, it's a little bit weird to say, but build a bond with my relationship, or build a bond and a relationship with my hair, and really starting to pay attention and notice it. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Rishaya Reese, your LOC'D Lioness, and we're gonna jump right into this video. It is very exciting because it is my 1 month lock anniversary. Woo! Yay, I'm very excited. It is also Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to all of you out there. Now, just before we get into the video, I do want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do like the content in this video, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Now let's get started on my 1 month journey. It's actually 1 month and a day. I started this journey, installed my own micro DIY locks on January 13th, 2020. So yes, we're at 1 month and 1 day today, and I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. I have already seen some changes in my hair. Now I just did my first retwist, and I was going to kind of straighten it out so you guys could see the length and check that and stuff. But what I actually wanted to do, because I thought this was low-key a look, okay, after I let out the Bantu knots, I think it's really cute and curly, and I wanted to put together a little special look for Valentine's Day just for you guys. I'll give you a close-up. So hopefully you like it. It was just sincerely just for you guys. Yes, and yeah, I thought it'd just be cool to see my hair with you guys as I do the unraveling here, so that's why I didn't take down the Bantu knots completely. But yeah, let's get right into changes in my hair in the 1 month that I've been locked. Now I've definitely noticed a little bit of the shine in my hair go away. That's one of the first things that I've noticed, and I have some notes down here, so excuse me if I'm looking down a lot. Another big change that I noticed was that my ends of my hair, especially in the back, are getting really kind of curly Q. And now maybe you can't tell because you know, the hair's already curled from the Bantu knots, but it's getting really cute little curly Qs that I really enjoy. So that's been fun to see that happening already. Also too, in my hair, when I was doing my retwist, I noticed there was like a knot at the base between the root and where the new growth came in. So I think, you know, that's the first sign of the hair matting, starting to really lock. I'm quite confident that at this point, just because of the type of hair texture I have, it being that 4B4C, I'm quite confident that it has already started to lock a little bit and get matted. So I do think I have some potentially some slight budding in there. So yeah, that's really awesome to see as well. Lets me know that my hair is going in the right direction. I have like no shedding at all, pretty much, with my hair at this point. There's a little strands here and there, but almost nothing at all. So that's been another change that I've noticed. And let me just see here. The twist pattern, it's definitely still there, still visible and stuff, but you know, it's starting to get a little bit fuzzy. And yeah, so those are some of the changes. Nothing too exciting yet, but it's definitely fun. As far as likes with my hair, definitely loving the super quick washes that I can do. It's very easy to style for the most part. I just leave it alone. I sleep with my silk bonnet on at night, and then shake my hair out like this and this and this and this in the morning, and I'm pretty much good to go. I'll do like a little ponytail, a couple of bobby pins, something like that, and that's pretty minimal. I've definitely noticed too that I'm really starting to listen to my hair and pay attention to my scalp, and it's really nice because I think that's even something that I struggled with as a loose natural. So yeah, it's just been really nice because I genuinely feel like I'm starting to build, it's a little bit weird to say, but build a bond with my relationship, or build a bond and a relationship with my hair, and really starting to pay attention and notice it. I definitely think I've been thinking about this for a while, but I think I will name my locks. I know some people do that, and it helps them to feel closer to their hair or whatever. But I just thought it would be something really cute. So I've been kind of thinking and feeling for the right name for my locks, and when that comes, then I'll definitely go ahead and let you guys know. But yeah, so that's just really cool that you know, I'm taking time for myself and parts of my body like my hair to really notice it. What else? Also, a big one is that I'm just feeling really beautiful. I'm feeling really good, really confident, growing in confidence with myself. Since starting my locks, I thought at times I might be a little bit self-conscious or like, I don't like the way this looks and stuff, but at least in this first month of having it, I've just felt really, really, really confident, really excited, really beautiful, and really just like, oh yes, this is me, this is my hair. Oh, you don't know what it is? Well, I'm starting my lock journey, so check me out. Just feeling really good, really, really good about myself and this journey that I'm on, so that's awesome too. Dislikes for it. Well, as some of you guys might know from my retwist video that I did, it took me forever. It took me a really long time to get through the retwist, like a few days, and I thought it would only take like maybe a day, a few hours if I was lucky. Everybody knows, you guys know I'm slow with my hair. I am very slow with my hair. It was my first retwist, and so I think the combination of me just being naturally slow and it being my first retwist, not knowing exactly what I was doing, it took a long time, and I did find myself getting like, ugh, bored. Why? No. Please make it stop. So yeah, and then just dealing with like the matted roots that I had as well. Sorry, there's a fly in here. Ooh. But dealing with the matted roots as well, and just trying to get through all of that, that was a little bit tough, and I was just like, damn, I gotta figure out a better way to do this, which I've been doing my research and made some notes in my last video on things that I'll do differently the next time around, but hopefully next time around doesn't come until at least 4 weeks, but we're trying to get it to eventually like 8 to 10 weeks was my goal, I think I said in the first video. So yeah, stay tuned for my next retwist. I'm sure it'll go much better than this first time around, but other than that, there are no dislikes. I'm loving everything. Like, I can't think of anything else. I am already nervous about landing. I'm just like, don't touch anything. And I try to keep my hair out because I will try to keep the buildup out as much as possible, but I do have 2 dogs, so you know, it's inevitable to some extent. But yeah, that's about it for my 1 month update. I'll go ahead and give you guys just a couple of close-ups now on how my hair's changed, because I'm sure you're curious about that. But yeah, just before I do that, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any other sort of videos, or if I'm getting good enough with my makeup to like do a tutorial on that and you guys are interested. Let me know. That's not really my thing, but I'm happy to do it for you guys if you are interested. I usually keep it pretty light and minimal, so yeah, definitely I'm not a professional with my makeup, nor am I professional with my locks at all. These are just my experiences that I'm sharing with all of you. So hope you're enjoying it thus far. But yeah, now let's go ahead and do a close-up of my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video with your girl Rishaya Reese, your locked lioness. And until next time, remember that we journey to our own set of rules. So be true to yourself. Peace. See you later. I didn't want to mess up my lipstick, so you guys got a fake one on that one. Bye guys.